Very good morning to all of you. I once again welcome you all to this current lecture. As we know that in the last lecture we solved the two different type of numericals for the calculation of the different parameters of a molecule. Now in the current lecture we are going to take some new type of numericals from the chapter. So the numerical number third is there, in which the density of acetic acid is 1.054 gram per centimeter cube, and the refractive index for sodium D line is 1.3722 at 20 degrees centigrade. Calculate the molar refraction of acetic acid. So this is a third type of numerical from this chapter. We have to calculate a property of a molecule, that is the molar refraction for acetic acid. Now first of all we are going to write the given in this from this numerical. So what is the given? So first of all the first value is given, that is called as the density, that is a density of acetic acid. Density of acetic acid is equal to, the density is given. So what is the density for this acetic acid? It is a 1.054 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the value for this density of acetic acid. The second parameter which is given in this numerical, that is called as the refractive index. That is a refractive index. Refractive index, that is nothing but our value of small n, that is equal to 1.3722 at 20 degree centigrade. So these two parameters are given, and what we have to calculate? We have to calculate here molar refraction. We have to calculate here molar refraction, that is nothing but the Rm. So that we have to calculate. So by using these two parameters we have to calculate the molar refraction of a particular acetic acid molecule. So we have an equation. We have an equation. We have an equation. So we have one equation for this molar refraction, that is this molar refraction is equal to n square minus 1 upon n square plus 2 into m upon d. Now in this case this Rm stands for molar refraction of a molecule, n stands for refractive index of the medium, m is that molecular weight of a given molecule, that is acetic acid, and d is the density of the acetic acid. Now if I substitute the value for this all these terms in above equation, the value for this n is a 1.3722 per square minus 1 divided by 1.37722 per square plus 2 into the molecular weight for this acetic acid is equal to 60 divided by the value for this density is a 1.054. So if we solve this simple equation, the value for this molar refraction for acetic acid, it comes out to be 12.94 ml per mole. So this is the final value for this molar refraction for acetic acid, that is the 12.94 ml per mole. So this is a very simple numerical for the calculation of molar refraction for this acetic acid. Now this is numerical number 3. After this numerical number 3, we have to take the fourth number numerical, that is again the different numerical as compared to the previous 3. Now in this numerical, what we have to consider here now? We have to consider, or we have to calculate some another type of the properties. So this is numerical number 4. It includes what will be the frequency, what would be the frequency, wave number and energy associated with zero point 0.4 mu radiation. So this is another type of numerical in which we have to calculate the parameters for this electromagnetic wave having zero point 0.4 mu radiation. We have to calculate its frequency, its wave number and its energy. So first of all, we have to write the given from this numerical. First step, we have to write the given from this numerical. So what is the given? So in this case, a data is given, that is a wavelength. That is a wavelength of radiation, that is a lambda is equal to, that value is given 0.4 mu. 0.4 mu is equal to, now this unit of this here wavelength is a mu. We can convert this unit into the centimeter, so it becomes 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter. So this is the value for this lambda, it is already given. Now from this value of wavelength lambda, we have to calculate the three different properties. So in the first step, we have to calculate the first parameter, that is a particular wave number. Therefore wave number is equal to, we know very well that wave number is nothing but the reciprocal of the wavelength. So this is a nu bar, that is wave number is equal to reciprocal of the particular wavelength. So 1 by lambda, it is equal to 1 divided by this value for this lambda is a 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 4. So if we solve it, the value for this wave number, that is mu bar, this comes out to be, if we solve it, it comes out to be 25,000 per centimeter. So this is the value for this wave number for the given radiation, that is wave number is equal to 25,000 per centimeter. In the second step, now we have to calculate its frequency. Therefore the frequency of radiation is equal to, we know very well frequency is equal to nu is equal to velocity of radiation divided by its wavelength. So this is a simple relationship between this particular frequency to that of the velocity and wavelength. Now if I substitute the value for these terms, so value for this velocity of light is a 3 into 10 raised to 10 divided by value for this lambda is already given, it is a 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 4. So if we solve it, the value of this frequency, that is nu, comes out to be, if we solve it, it comes out to be 7.5 into 10 raised to 14 per second. So this is the value for this frequency of the radiation, 7.5 into 10 raised to 14 per second. And in the last step, that is in a third step, we have to calculate the third parameter of this radiation, that is called as the energy. Therefore energy is equal to capital E is equal to, we know very well this E is equal to h nu. So if we substitute value for this Planck's constant and frequency, so the value for this Planck's constant is a 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 27 multiplied by the value for this nu is a, just we calculated it, it is a 7.5 into 10 raised to 14 So if we solve it, the value for this energy of radiation comes out to be 4.94 into 10 raised to minus 12 erg. So this is the value for this energy for the radiation. So this is a fourth type of different numerical associated with the calculation of the frequency, wave number and energy for a given radiation. So this numerical is solved in a 3 different steps. In the first step, we calculate its wave number. It comes out to be 25,000 per centimeter. In the second case, we calculate its frequency, comes out to be 7.5 into 10 raised to 14 per second. And in the third step, we calculate its energy, that comes out to be 4.94 into 10 raised to minus 12 erg. So this is a 4 type of different numerical as compared to the previous 3 numericals. So in the current lecture, we take the 2 different type of numericals. The first numerical consists of calculation of the molar refraction. Calculation of molar refraction for acetic acid with the help of the given data, that is the density refractive index of a molecule. From this we calculate here molar refraction for acetic acid. And in a fourth number numerical, we calculate the different type of the properties for a particular wave having a radiation of 0.4 mu, that different properties we can calculate. So these are the 4 different numericals which we solve, 2 from this current lecture and 2 from the previous lecture. So these are the 4 different type of the numericals. Remaining numericals you can solve from the exercise. So with this we completed this second important chapter, that is investigation of the molecular structure. So in the next lecture we will going to start the next chapter from your syllabus. So with this I stop here. Thank you so much.